Yes, we will continue the problem on divergent and curl. So in the last two classes, we are solving the problem. So now today there will be a combination. We have to calculate curl of a vector and divergent of curl left. So like that. So some combinations will come. Okay. So we will solve that. Is take on the next problem. Yes, take down. If f equals if f equals 3x square y minus z I cap minus z I cap plus xz cube plus y power 4 xz cube plus y power 4 j cap minus of 2x cube z square 2x cube z square k cap find grad of div f. Grad of div f. Okay, or how to symbolize this question? Anyone? How to symbolize this grad of div f? Okay, grad nothing but just operator del. In between don't write anything, just open the bracket. Div f nothing but del dot f. Okay, this is a symbolic form of our question. Grad of div f. Got it? Yes. I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this symbolic form of this question? Grad of div f means grad means del. In between, don't put any dot or cross. It is usual multiplication. And here del dot f. Okay. Now given f equals. So write our problem. F equals 3x square y minus z I cap plus xz cube plus y power 4 j cap minus of 2x cube z square k cap. Okay, so nothing but see, this is f1, this is f2, and this is f3. Because first to see, we have to calculate divergent. So from right side, you should solve this problem. Okay, first you have to calculate div f. So we know that div f equals. So according to the question, I will go div f nothing but del dot f. Okay, del dot f equals, we know the formula, dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So without ijk, it is a, because it is a dot product. So okay, so dot product ijk vanishes and you will get a scalar. Now substitute dou by dou x of, so what is f1? First component 3x square minus 3x square y 3x square y minus z plus dou by dou y of xz cube plus y power 4 plus dou by dou z of, yes, third component is negative sign is there, minus 2x cube z square. Okay, now differentiate. So partially with respect to x, this is x square. Okay, you will get 6xy. Tell me the answer. Correct? 6xy. Z becomes 0. Second term with respect to y.
4y
This is
cube.
4y cube.
This is 0, you will get 4y cube, and this is plus into minus is minus with respect to z. So 2x cube keep as it is because it is with a product. Z square differentiation is 2z, you will get 2 to the 4 x cube z. Okay, is it right? This is del dot f. So always divergent is a scalar only. This is nothing but phi. Okay, now consider grad del of del dot f. Okay, so that is equal to okay, 1 minute. We will write the formula. We know that 1 minute. This I will take it as phi. Okay, for your reference. So we know that grad phi equals dou phi by dou x I cap gradient formula plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Okay, this is the formula we know. So grad phi nothing but what is this del dot f? That is nothing but phi. Okay, therefore del of del dot f equals del of del dot f equals dou by dou x of, yes, phi nothing but complete this equation. Okay, complete this equation. You should substitute. One more step I will take. 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. Okay, so like previous problem, you can differentiate directly because we can take this as a phi and you can differentiate. So to understand easily, I am substituting. This is I cap plus dou by dou y of gradient is a vector. Okay, we should write I j k dou by dou y of same problem 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. This is j cap plus one more term dou by dou z of same question 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z into k cap. So that gives, yes, partially with respect to x, if you differentiate what you will get 6y first term 6y, this is 0
minus
and
12
here
x square,
minus 12
12
x square
cube
z.
z.
So into I cap. Okay, so always gradient is a vector. Try to understand the concept. Divergent is always scalar, curl is always vector, and plus with respect to y, with respect to y 6x second term, this is 4 3s at 12y square, and this is 0. Okay, so multiplied with the j cap, and finally plus with respect to z, first term 0, second term 0, you will get minus. Therefore I will write here minus. Okay, because with respect to z 6xy 0, 4y cube 0, so just minus. Z differentiation is 1, so you will get 4x cube. Correct? K cap. So this is according to our question, grad of div f. I hope you understand how to solve this problems. So combination. So divergent, gradient, divergent, and curl. In these three, they will merge and they will ask the questions. So it is nothing but you should understand divergent when we have to apply. So divergent, it is only to the vector. Gradient, it is only to the scalar. Curl, it is only to the vector only again. Okay, so this is the way. Got it? Any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Next problem. Yes. Next problem. If f equals if f equals x plus y plus 1 I cap x plus y plus 1 I cap plus j cap minus of x plus y k cap. Show that f dot curl f equals 0. Okay, this answer we have to show. We have to calculate first curl f is given. Calculate curl f, you will get one more vector, and given problem, that is f dot that answer curl f. Find the dot product and show it is 0. Okay, take down the solution. Given f equals x plus y plus 1 I cap plus j cap minus of x plus y k cap. Okay, yes, consider curl f. Consider curl f formula. So always whatever they will ask in the word form or whatever in symbolic, you convert it, and that helps to write the formula. Okay, curl f is nothing but a cross product of two vectors del and f. So it is determinant I j k, and component of first vector is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and component of f, our problem, x plus y plus 1. This is, what is the coefficient of j here? 1. And finally this is minus of x plus y, or you can multiply that negative sign and you can write minus x minus 1. Okay, now this is 3 cross 3 determinant, plus minus plus. Yes, start with solving the 3 cross 3 determinant. I cap into, yes, shall I write direct answer, or if you want to substitute, you can substitute that, like dou by dou y of this minus of x plus y. I cap nothing but particular column, particular row, you leave it, you will get these 4 terms. Okay, these 4 terms, 2 cross 2 determinant. Okay, just you write it. If you want one more step, dou by dou y of minus of x plus y minus dou by dou z of 1. So I will simplify and I will put the direct answer. You can verify your answer. Yes, dou by dou y of minus of x plus y means x is 0, y differentiation is 1. Okay, with negative you will get minus 1 minus dou by dou z of 1 is 0. This is I cap minus j cap into minus j cap means particular column, middle column you neglect, and first row dou by dou x of minus of x plus y is minus 1, and dou by dou z of minus 0 again, because dou by dou z of x plus y plus 1, so there is no z, so it is constant, differentiation is 0, plus k cap into so particular column, particular row, leave it. Dou by dou x of 1 is 0. Correct? Dou by dou x of 1 is 0. Dou by dou y of x plus y plus 1 is 1. So minus 1. So this is the final answer. You can verify. And curl f equals. Therefore, curl f equals minus I cap. Minus into minus plus K cap. Minus K.
Minus K cap.
This is the final answer, curl f. Now the question is, we have to show that f dot curl f equal to 0. So consider f dot curl f. Okay, so you can write in a symbolic form or you can write in word form, whatever it is. So f is our problem, x plus y plus 1 I cap, correct? And plus j cap minus of x plus y k cap. So this is the first vector, dot between dot curl f we calculated minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Yes, calculate the dot product. How to calculate the dot product? Just usual multiplication. First component with first, second with second, third with third. You should not write ijk. Dot product is a scalar always. Yes. Here coefficient of I is x minus 1. If I multiply, you will get minus y minus 1. Is it right? And j dot j is 1, so this is plus 1, and this is minus into minus plus. You will get x plus y into 1 is x plus y. Correct? This is x plus y. Here 1 with minus into minus is plus. So minus x cancel with plus x, minus y cancel with plus y, minus 1 cancel with plus 1. So final answer f dot curl f. Either you can write in any way, okay, either in symbolic form or in word form, equal to 0. Yes. Next problem. If f equals x square y I cap x square y I cap plus y square z j cap plus z square y k cap. Find curl of curl f, or can you symbolize? How to symbolize this question?
So del cross
Yes.
del cross into del cross f.
Yes. Del cross f. So here you use one bracket. Okay. Use one bracket. Del cross of del cross f. From the right side you have to solve. First you should solve this del cross f. Okay. Take down the solution. Given, write our vector f equals x square y I cap plus y square z j cap plus z square y k cap. Okay, so first we will calculate this first part, that is from right side del cross f. So consider del cross f. Del cross f equals determinant I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Okay, and x square y square z z square y. Yes. So how you will simplify that left to you? Either you can differentiate directly, or you can substitute one more step, like I cap into dou by dou y of z square y minus dou by dou z of y square z. So like that also you can go. Okay. Okay. That this problem I will solve in the same method. Let it be I cap into dou by dou y of z square y minus dou by dou z of y square z. So simplification. So the left to you, if you are perfect with the concept of vector and partial differentiation, you can avoid this step and you can write the direct answer. If there is a confusion, so better you go in this way only. Okay, it takes little bit time, but you should write the correct answer. Minus j cap into particular column and particular row. So middle column and first row, second column and first row you neglect. You will get dou by dou x of z square y minus dou by dou z of x square y and plus k cap into. So first row and the last column dou by dou x of y square z minus dou by dou y of x square y. Yes, simplify this. I cap into partially with respect to y, you will get z square minus partially with respect to z, you will get y square. First term. Okay, so with respect to y, keep differentiation of y is 1, z square you keep as it is, you will get z square. With respect to z, keep y square as it is, z differentiation is 1 minus j cap into partially with respect to x, no x in the first term, therefore it is 0, minus again with respect to z, then no z term, this is also 0, plus k cap into differentiation with respect to x, no x, both y and z are constant, this is y square, no, it is 0, minus with respect to y, y is there here, you will get x square. So finally, curl f equals z square minus y square I cap. So there is no j, you can write plus 0 j cap for your reference, because next one more curl you have to calculate now. So let it be plus only, because it is anyhow it is 0. Whatever you can write 0 plus or minus. So we will take positive only, plus 0 j cap and minus x square k cap. So this is one stage, curl f. Now consider curl of curl f, del cross of del cross f. That is equal. Same one more formula, that's it. Now this is our new vector. Okay, for this vector we have to calculate the curl. So ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, z square minus y square, 0 minus x square. Yes, as usual, one more time, that's it. Plus, minus, plus. Yes, I cap into. Do it. So dou by dou y of x square. So since there is no y here, this is 0. Minus dou by dou z of 0 is 0. This is with I cap. Minus j cap into first row and second column. Dou by dou x of minus x square is minus 2x. So simple term you can differentiate directly. Dou by dou z of z square minus y square is minus. So formula is minus, therefore 2z. And plus k cap into dou by dou x of 0 is 0 minus dou by dou y of z square is 0, but minus y square is minus 2y. So minus 2y. So inside you will get minus of minus. Correct? So final answer. Therefore, curl of curl f equals this is 0. Okay, 0 I cap, no need to write. So here I will take minus common, in both the term minus is there, So minus minus become plus, it become 2x plus 2z j cap, and here also minus minus become plus, so plus 2y k cap. This is the answer. So is it right? Your answer 0 I cap, first one. So because it is 0, so we can avoid, no need to write. Got it? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Last problem. Just take this problem and I'll finish. Take it. If f equals x square y I cap x square into y I cap minus 2xz j cap plus 2yz k cap plus 2yz k cap. Same. Find curl of curl f. Find curl of curl f. Okay. So if you want in symbolic form, del cross of del f. Del cross f. Yes. Do it the same way. Given f equals, first write the vector. Given f equals x square y I cap minus 2xz j cap plus 2yz k cap. Okay. Yes. First calculate this curl f. Consider curl f equals determinant of I, j, k. Component of first vector is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and now component of our problem x square y minus 2xz plus 2yz. Yes. Simplify. I'll give some time. I'll write direct answer. So before that, I will expect the answer from your side. What is curl f?
Two Z plus 2x I cap plus 0 Z cap J cap
0 cap.
minus common 2Z plus x square k cap.
Okay, let me see. I cap into with respect to this one, no? These are the four terms. Dou by dou y of 2yz is 2z. Formula minus, and here also one more minus is there. So plus, you will get plus dou by dou z of minus 2x, is minus 2x, minus minus become plus 2x. This is first term. Minus j cap into particular column and particular row you neglect. Dou by dou x of 2yz is 0, and dou by dou z of x square y is also 0 with minus because formula, and both are 0, plus k cap into s. Partially with respect to x, minus 2x differentiation is minus 2z, and x square y. Partially with respect to y, x square y differentiation is minus x square. Okay, so this is curl f, or curl f equals, therefore curl f equals 2x plus 2z I cap. So because j is 0, I will write 0 j cap, because one more time I have to calculate cross product, and this is minus of, or you can take as it is, no problem. Okay, so minus x square minus 2z minus 2z k cap. Okay, so or you can take minus also common. So no change in both the equations. Now again consider curl of curl f. Consider curl of curl f. So this is we calculated already. Okay, that is one vector. Curl of curl f equals I cap into I cap j cap k cap dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and 2x plus 2z 2x plus 2z, first vector, first one 0 minus x square minus 2z. You can take minus outside also. You will get
So
same
minus
answer.
2x.
Minus x square minus 2z minus x square. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Now I cap into anyone answer
0 minus 0.
complete 0.
No, sir. J of 2x minus 2. Final answer.
This is partially, sorry, I cap into with respect to y, there is no y here, therefore it is 0, minus with respect to z also 0, 0 minus 0, minus j cap into first row and second column, dou by dou x of minus x square is minus 2x, and this is 0, okay, with respect to x, and with respect to z it gives 2x is 0, but 2z differentiation is 2, so minus 2 and plus k cap into first row and third column you neglect. So dou by dou x of 0 is 0, minus, formula is minus, dou by dou y of 2x plus 2z is also 0. So finally, therefore curl of curl f equals you can write in a symbolic form or in the word form. Curl is 0 I can write, and minus j into minus 2x minus 2. So you can take minus common and make it plus. You will get 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2 into j cap, and this is 0 again. So 0 I and 0 k. So there is no unit vector in terms of I and k. So just you will get one more just vector only. It is 2x plus 2 j cap. Got it? So this is the solution, and next topic also continuation of this divergent and curl only, but there we will define one new definition, new concept, but problem is in the same manner. Okay, did you understand?